Hey guys, it's DJC, and today we're doing the huge Meta Mobile pack opening. Yeah, it's mostly pro packs, but there's one Team of the Week pack as well. So, yeah. Before I got that stacked player, and in the pack I didn't know if I was going to get anything good, so I didn't record it. But yeah, I got an elite. And it turns out he goes for, I think, like 1 million. Yeah, about 1 mil, and there's only 3 on the market, so that's good. But then I went there, and it turns out I can't sell them, so I was disappointed. So yeah, so let's get into the pack opening. First pack, not that good, but update team. Leave a comment of like what videos. Oh, there we are. First elite pull of the pack opening. Spencer Ware, halfback from the Chiefs. That's a pretty good pull. I'll see how much it goes for now. So comment like what videos you want us to make, like NBA Live or Meta Mobile. How much does he go for? Oh, about not too much, but still a good pull. Hopefully there's more elites to come. Back into it now. Oh, another elite for 81 halfback. Carlos Hyde. I have him on my other account. He's actually pretty good. How much does he go for? I trained him up on my other account, so yeah, so I can't sell him on there, but about 100k. Yeah, it's another good pull. Hopefully more elites. I might do a NBA Live pack opening if you guys want me to. Just comment if you want me to or not, and I'll try and make it happen. Oh, 85. Now that's what I want. Barry Church from the Jaguars. That's another good pull. How much does he go for though? Not bad. It's quite a lot. It's not that much, because I thought it'd go for more because he's 85, but come on, need more elites. On these packs I spend about like 600k, maybe. Because I opened a few off camera and I didn't get anything good. Lucky Whitehead, punt returner. That's pretty good. He goes for a bit. Because he's got 90 speed. Come on. Another kick returner. Come on. Give me something good. Nope. I got more on my other account as well, so I'll open them up. Last pack on this account. Make it a good one. Nothing. I just got that guy. So that's what we got on this account. 3 elites. And a few golds. So back on my other account now. Yeah, I got a few packs. So let's open them. I want at least 2 more elites, and then I'll be happy. Come on. Getting Bundy golds. So I got a Team of the Week pack down there. I'll open up that last. Because remember last time I got that Janoris Jenkins, the 83 from that pack. Hopefully I can get another elite from it. Come on, I'm not getting anything good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna open up the Team of the Week pack now. Hopefully we can get something like that Janoris Jenkins last time. Come on. And nope. Disappointed. We didn't even get an elite on this account. We only got the 3 on the other. And that stacked player. But I can't sell them. Which is depressing. So, yeah. That's it. Leave a comment of what videos you want me to make. And I'll try and make them. Yeah. This is what we got on this account. Just all Bundy golds. And, see ya.